Okay.
It's hard to really describe it. I see the lights, the red and green, blinking on and off. They're pretty high. Some of them are low.
I think maybe it's a helicopter. No, it's not a helicopter. Then suddenly it gets closer and it's hovering right over the trees, and it looks like, I guess, an enormous drone? I'm not even sure what it... I've never seen anything like it. It's just a drone on steroids.
And what they don't want to admit is that these are spaceships of friendly alien beings called the Galactic Federation.
Oh yeah, it is triangular shaped. So this is what Mo's seeing right now. I don't know if you could see.
That's weird. It's like the fastest one out of all of them that we've seen tonight.
I think that was it. I don't see anything else broken. That's so cool.
It's a strong possibility. This is the crash site right now.
I'm taking some of this.
We're taking some pieces?
Yeah. We'll do a spirit box session with it.
Pero bakit? Bakit? Ang tanong nga, bakit hanggang ngayon, wala pa ring concrete na paliwanag ang FBI, ang US government tungkol dito. Ay, mga ka-adventure, mga ka-mystery, mga nakatutok sa ating YouTube channel, kumusta na po kayo? And tonight, tingnan natin yung updates na nangyayari sa US and some other parts of the world na binubulabo ngayon ng mga drone from unknown origin based on their media releases. Hindi pa rin nila na detect kung saan nagmula ang mga drone na yan. But abangan po ninyo, abangan po ninyo. Meron tayong special edition tungkol dito that will be shown sa ating program Gabi ng Misteryo. Tungkol nga dito sa sightings nito ng mga drone, or could be UFO or UAP or unmanned aerial system dyan sa US and some other parts of the world. Now, I think tingnan natin ang update, ano ang makukuha nating bago from different news sources sa US. Ano
You don't need to buy
ang ating titinan, ha? Alright.
So I decided to make an update on this situation.
Very interesting tong isang ano ba tong isang vlog ni James. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung title nito? Tingnan natin. Ang title nito ay, nasaan na siya? Nawala. Dali lang. Pero grabe ito, drone halts flights in New York. Wow! So pati yung mga airport naapektuhan na. Surprisingly, kahit na mas high-tech ang technology ng US compared to other countries like Philippines, hindi pa raw nila ma-detect kung ano nga ba ang saan nga ba nanggaling o anong grupo o nanggaling itong naturang mga drone. For them, it's they call it drone. Drone. Okay. Here we go. Investigating the New Jersey UAP drone crash site. May crash. Sa bagay, no? May crash site nga. Meron na raw bumagsak na drone. Sandali. 14 hours. So, ito. Mas interested yata ako dito. Okay.
The mystery only seems to deepen about who or what is behind the drone activity in the eastern U.S. And all agree the government needs to say more.
Look at it.
after drone sightings in the skies above at least 7 states from New York to Virginia, including dozens seen in New Jersey. Senator Chuck Schumer says the government needs to send in a drone called the Robin to find out what they are.
People who have questions about these drones should not have to shake an 8-ball to get an answer.
Okay.
They want real answers, and the Robin can supply those answers, and that's why we want them here.
The FAA shut down Stewart International Airport north of New York City Friday night after multiple reported drone sightings in the area. Homeland Security Secretary Mayorkas told ABC's This Week that this is not a national security threat.
We know of no foreign involvement with respect to the sightings in the Northeast, and we are vigilant in investigating this matter.
John Ferguson, the CEO of Saxon Aerospace, a drone manufacturer, believes these drones are trying to detect something.
They have no reason to be in the air at night, unless you're doing some type of ISR work, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, looking for bad guys, or looking for a search and rescue victim, or law enforcement, or some type of military project.
Former CIA officer Laura Bowman says statement.
Okay. So may mga updates nga dito sa drone sightings ito sa US. Sari-sari, ano? Pero matindi yung nangyari dun sa isang airport sa New York na talagang shut down muna yung operation, pero pansamantala lang. Okay, sige. Hindi ko kayo ibibitin sa mga updates na yan.
By officials make her think the drone activity could be a classified exercise.
The statements that have been made by John Kirby, who has said that these objects are not operating illegally.
Congressman Jim Himes on the House Intelligence Committee does not believe the drones are foreign, and that by not being more forthcoming, the government is causing conspiracy theories to spread.
There's a lot of us who are pretty frustrated right now. The answer we don't know is not a good enough answer. Now, let me say something that I know with confidence. It is not the Iranians. It is not the Chinese. They aren't Martians. I know that's very unsatisfying for people who want a Hollywood movie out of this.
The FBI says it's processing roughly 5,000 drone-related...
Natawa ko doon. Sabi, they are not Russians, they are not Iranians, they are not Chinese, and they are not Martians. Ayos ah. Sige, tuloy natin to. Ay, hindi, tapos na pala itong video eh.
Tips, but found less than 100 have generated credible leads. The House Intelligence Committee is expected to receive a classified briefing on the drone sightings Tuesday. Dale Hurd, CBN News.
Okay, so abangan natin yun, no? Magbibigay daw ng classified information sa US Congress tungkol dito. Sige, abangan natin yan. Okay. Ano pa ibang mga updates dito? USA News, Trump team wants Iron Dome against drones. Ano nyo ba Iron Dome? Ito yung ginagamit na defense system ng Israel against mga missile strikes. Kaya very effective yung kanilang defense system using Iron Dome. Pero i-check muna natin, ano nga ba itong itsura ng Iron Dome na to? Ha? Okay, type natin to. Iron Dome. Yan. To. Iron Dome Israel Defense System. Well, I think it's a good idea, no? Gamitan nila na Iron Dome Defense System itong mga drone na ito. Naku, sabi ng iba. Paano kung hindi naman talaga terrestrial in origin itong mga drone na ito? Ito ay talagang gawa ng mga galactic beings, Uubra ba yung Iron Dome na yan? Paano kung sakali namang may sumabog na paano kung gumanti naman yung mga alien beings? Pero definitely, based dun sa sinasabi kanina, hindi naman daw Martians, or meaning, hindi daw extraterrestrial yung origin ng mga drone na yan. Pero bakit? Bakit? Ang tanong nga, bakit hanggang ngayon, wala pa ring concrete na paliwanag ang FBI, ang US government tungkol dito. Okay, so tingnan natin tong Iron Dome. Paano nga ba nagpa-function to? This is one. Iron Dome, Israel's defense system explained. Okay.
Initially created by Israeli firms Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Israel Aerospace Industries, the Iron Dome air defense system became operational in 2011. Israel is protected by 10 Iron Dome batteries, consisting of 3 to 4 stationary launchers, 20 Tamir missiles, and a battlefield radar. These batteries can each defend up to nearly 60 square miles. So, how does it work? Incoming threats like Hamas's barrage of rockets fired at Israel from Gaza are identified by radar. The Iron Dome then fires a missile to intercept these threats, preventing them from hitting their targets. The technology is so advanced, it can tell which missiles are likely to hit densely populated areas and those that would cause less destruction. It typically only fires at missiles it considers to be dangerous. The military claims it has a greater than 90% success rate, but the volume of rockets being fired by
Powerful pala tong Iron Dome, huh? Wow.
Without the system, the Israeli death toll would be catastrophic. Missiles manufactured by defense firm Raytheon are also hugely costly, around $50,000 each. The United States has vowed to supply Israel with the ammo it needs to defend itself.
Okay. So yun. Iron Dome ang US, ha? Sige nga, tingnan natin. Ano nga ba yung kay Trump dito? Trump, Iron Dome. Trump. Si Trump ang nagsuggest, diba? Trump, Iron Dome versus drone. Ayan. Saan ba yun? Ito. Ay. Donald Trump demands action over rising drone sightings, serious military sites amid ongoing wars. Ito. Saan ba rito ang ipapasok natin? Sa palagay nyo. Uy! Ito yan. Yung aking mic. Okay. So, Iron Dome. Ito. Dali lang. May commercial pa. Sige, skip ko na, ha?
Here in the United States, there is growing concern over a series of mysterious drone sightings. The Biden administration says that it's probing the sightings. But from mystery, these drones are now becoming a national security issue. Lawmakers from Biden's own party, too, want clear answers from the White House, while Donald Trump's team wants an Iron Dome to protect American skies from the drone menace. Our next story tells you more.
It's not a bird. It's not a plane.
It's not a bird. It's not a plane.
It's a drone.
It's Superman. Drone.
And it's causing alarm across America. From a mystery, it's now turned into a growing frustration among Americans.
Okay.
It's hard to really describe it. I see the lights, the red and green, blinking on and off. They're pretty high. Some of them are low.
I think maybe it's a helicopter. No, it's not a helicopter. Then suddenly it gets closer and it's hovering right over the trees and it looks like, I guess, an enormous drone? I'm not even sure what it... I've never seen anything like it. It's just a drone on steroids.
Narinig nyo yun, no? Enormous drone. Hindi to yung drone na karaniwan na natin nakikita, no? Kasi yung sabi nga, kasing size daw ng maliit na kotse, matakin mo yun. Drone pala yun. kasing size ng maliit na kotse, it's a drone. Saan mapapaisip ka, drone pa ba yun? Baka naman spaceship na yun. Alam niyo sa mga pelikula, yung mga sci-fi movies, si Star Wars, si Star Trek, yung mga maliliit na mga ship, di ba? Parang ganun mga scout ship nila. Ganun kalalaki na parang maliit na sasakyan. Palagay ninyo. Sa discussion namin tungkol dyan sa Gabi ng Misteryo, malalaman ninyo. Talagang very close to sa isang reality na mukhang mga galactic beings ngayong mga lumilipad na yan. Who knows, no? Wala pang confirmation Pero kung actually ako personally, naghihintay ako ng very strong message from them kung kailangan ko na mag-channel, kung kailangan ko na silang ma-interview, pero wala wala akong ma-receive na ganung gut feeling or any telepathic message. Wala, as in. Ayaw kong magtanong sa kanila tungkol dito kasi hinahayaan ko lang sila na biglang dumating yung telepathic message kung gusto nilang mag-declare o magsalita. Itong mga galactic beings. So now, hinahayaan ko lang na dumaloy yung news, yung dumaloy yung mga updates na yan dyan sa US. Although may mga ibang mga ET contact na nagsasabing ito talaga maaring yung iba ay talagang man-made, pero yung iba kapag very larger than a normal drone yung lumilipad, hindi na yun, hindi na man-made yun, di ba? Alright, so ituloy natin tong discussion nito.
Drones have been observed flying over residential neighborhoods, restricted areas, and critical infrastructure. Since the first sightings in New Jersey in mid-November, the drones have spread to at least 6 states: New York, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, and Virginia. The unanswered question of who is behind these flights and their intentions is causing alarm.
Okay.
Security experts argue that in an era when drones have revolutionized warfare, ignoring the risks could leave the US dangerously vulnerable. The Biden administration is trying to downplay these incidents.
We have not seen any we know of no foreign involvement with respect to the sightings in the Northeast, and we are vigilant in investigating this matter, the Department of Homeland Security, with the Federal Bureau of Investigation in the lead.
Despite official claims that more sightings involve manned aircraft, the US lawmakers from both Republican and Democrats are expressing mounting frustration at the government's lack of transparency.
For weeks, we've asked for the truth and action to mitigate any and all threats to people and property. Now, we are demanding it.
People who have questions about these drones should not have to shake an 8-ball to get an answer. They want real answers, and the Robin can supply those answers, and that's why we want them here. So this is a broader and better response to the technology than we now have, and we need them deployed.
Trump's team proposes an ambitious Iron Dome for America, drawing inspiration from Israel's missile defense system. This comprehensive approach would extend beyond traditional missile threats to include drone-specific countermeasures, recognizing the evolving nature of aerial warfare. The unresolved questions surrounding these drone operations, their origin, operators, and potential objectives create a climate of uncertainty that threatens national security. Each unexplained flight represents a potential breach in America's defensive infrastructure. Bureau Report.
Pero very risky yung ganong yung ganon, yung magse-set up ka na kagad ng defense system. What if totoo yung sinasabi ng iba na mga friendly entities yung nasa likod nitong mga lumilipad na mga unidentified flying drones. Yan. Di ba dapat hindi UFO? Kasi drone na siya eh. So dapat UFD, unidentified flying drones. What if hindi naman talaga masama ang intention? Maybe they just want to show up, di ba? And tell the people that we are here. We are here. We are ready to help you. Mali yung sinasabi na we don't exist, di ba? I'm talking here about the existence of the Galactic Federation or the galactic beings. I don't know. Anong magiging kahinatan pa nitong ganito mga proposal? Kasi medyo hindi sa kabilang banda, tama naman na maglagay ng ganyang defense system itong kung ang threat ay talagang hostile. Kung meron talagang hostile, binabanggit na nga ng Pentagon na wala naman daw national security threat. So they just fly around, di ba? Parang wing, gumaganon-ganon lang, ano naman intensyon? Yun. Sana na ma-resolve na maganda itong problema ito sa US, and sana naman hindi ito umabot sa Pilipinas.
World is one.
Kasi pag umabot sa Pilipinas, anong gagawin natin, di ba? Pag umabot sa atin, right? Okay, another one. Ano pa bang nakikita natin dito? May mga vloggers na nagpunta na rin dyan sa lugar na yan. Yung mga hinahangaan din natin mga explorer. Di ba? Sandali. Pakita ko nga yung part lang. Si Omar Gosh. Omar Gosh TV. Omar Gosh TV vlog. Meron siyang isa pang Ito. Investigating the New Jersey UAP drone crash site. Evidence found daw Tingnan natin.
Something in the water. There's like 2 red lights. Bro, almost looks like a cell. What the hell is that? They're coming really fast too. What is up, fam? Hope you're having a great day today. Welcome to another video.
AKA Laugh Movie. I'm with my boy, Mo Sargi. He made the trip all the way down from Canada to be with us today.
We're gonna look for some UFOs in the sky, baby.
Hey, so we're prime time. I mean, exactly prime time. It's about 4:45. Sun's getting ready to go down. We're on the Atlantic. I was told yesterday by a group of police officers that this is a hot spot, like I like to call them, UFO activity. You know what I was thinking, Mo? They're saying that they're drones, right? But they're saying also that they don't know what they are. If they came out and said UFOs, like, people would be freaking out. So they have to say something that kind of sounds somewhat familiar. Drones, you know what I mean?
If it's a drone, anyone can spot a drone, right? We all know what a drone looks like. It's got the propellers, all that stuff. But if it's something that isn't making any noises and it's just hovering around and it's massive.
I've spent only one full day out here, and so far, if you missed that video, go back and look at it. Now, from my experience being out here, I've seen these drones kind of morphing into different things. I saw what looked like, just a regular flying aircraft. Once I saw an actual drone, and then it looked like it morphed into an airplane. I zoomed into some of these things, and then they disappear. And then at one point, I even witnessed it looked like a rolling ball of fire. It was very, very strange. And then it started coming towards me into the middle of the night.
I was recently in Las Vegas, or Nevada, at Area 51.
Oh, you were telling me about this?
Yeah, I spent the night camping out there right at the back gates of Area 51 itself. There was, for about 45 minutes, at around 11 o'clock to midnight, for about 45 minutes straight, there were these orbs going up from above the mountain, and right behind that mountain was where the base is.
Area 51
though, up in the sky, moving in weird patterns, no noises, nothing, very bright lights, and then they would disappear. And it kept happening over and over again in different patterns, not the same pattern, for 45 minutes. And a lot of the videos that I've seen of the drones out here are doing the exact same thing. I actually believe these might be the same things that they were doing at Area 51.
If you want to see what he's talking about, go make your way to his video. Oh, wow. That's really far, too.
That's an airplane?
That's an airplane.
It's not lit up like that.
Yeah, that's different. I'm going to have to use my super lens on that.
Super lens.
What is that?
I don't know.
Bro, that's an orb.
It is.
Oh my god.
It almost looks like a star, but I mean, bro, it's way too bright to be a star.
Okay, look to the left of it. There's an airplane.
There's no way that's a star.
No, because like there's no other stars out in the sky.
Okay, so sandali, meron munang commercial dito. Alright. Okay. Alright, so fast forward natin mamaya yung video na yan. Malaman natin yung ito na. Or na yung sighting na yan. Gusto ko malaman yung crash site na sinasabi. Here?
That makes no sense. I don't know if it's actually a true thing, but
That's actually terrifying though, if it is true.
dude, if it's true and there's a nuclear
Bomb's about to go off
And we're here.
Holy, you guys got some great content coming your way. Stay tuned.
Ay, nasan na?
Oh my god, that was a nuclear bomb.
Yeah, there's your nuclear bomb.
Here.
Okay, based off that information that we're just finding out, that's actually really terrifying. I mean, we're not here for very long. Is this ice? That is ice.
Yeah, we're below zero right now, so everyone's gonna freeze.
It's not below zero, but it's well, maybe Celsius. I think this is it.
Okay, sandali. Nagkaroon tayo ng technical.
This is the freshest tracks I've seen.
Hindi ko makita.
What is that over there?
Oh.
Okay. Ito. Alright. Sorry. Lumitaw na.
Okay, based off that information that we're just finding out, that's actually really terrifying. I mean, we're not here for very long. Is this ice? That is ice.
Yeah, we're below zero right now, so everyone's gonna freeze.
It's not below zero, but it's well, maybe Celsius. I think this is it.
This is it. Look.
Yeah.
Tracks, and we're gonna follow it.
This is the freshest tracks I've seen.
Oh.
What?
What is that over there?
Oh.
The power line.
Oh, I see it. Oh, dude. Oh, that's real close.
I gotta throw on my lens.
It looks like one of those gliding planes.
I got it, but that's as far as I can go.
Okay.
That was just like hovering over the building back there.
I'm telling you, back there where we were earlier, that's an awesome place to just kind of camp out and wait for these things to show themselves and get them on video.
That doesn't look like an airplane.
There was definitely more than one vehicle coming through here.
Okay.
Oh, that's where the tunnels were that I showed you earlier.
Oh, okay.
So, tinitingnan nila yung lugar. Kung dito ba yung, ito yata yung crash site, no?
So, see where the tracks stop.
Pero ang alam ko,
What if there's...
kinordon na yan ng mga authorities yung sinasabing crash site, eh. Actually, hindi nga pinapasok ang sino man. Diba? Okay, tingnan natin. Dun sa mayroong isang video rin si Omar na trinay niya kausapin yung mga pulis. Wala siyang napiga. Wala siya napala. Eh, hindi naman daw sila, wala daw sila sa authority, wala sila sa posisyon to answer some questions.
It's like burnt grass or something.
Okay.
Because didn't the dude say that they like covered it in water or something? Yeah, you could tell.
But only here. So this must be it. This was actually it.
You think this is the site? What do you see?
It just ends over here in this area. This is all just
So what's that?
grass and flattened.
Okay.
Yeah, this is where the tracks sort of stop.
And the water's just down below.
Oh, okay. So maybe there was more than one. Maybe one fell here, and then one fell in the water. Do you see the water?
Not really. There's a lot of deep bush before you get there. I see where the tunnels were.
Grabe, lamig dun ah. Kita niyo usok na yun. Ang niya usok na limig yun. Eh, pag nagyayalo dun.
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of airplanes, but that one craft.
Oh, tagal pa to ah. Ito. Ano to?
It's showing online.
Oh yeah, it is triangular shaped. This is what Mo's seeing right now. I don't know if you could see.
That's weird. It's like the fastest one out of all of them that we've seen tonight.
I think that was it. I don't see anything else broken. That's so cool.
It's a strong possibility. This is the crash site right
I'm taking some of this.
We're taking some pieces?
Yeah. We'll do a spirit box session with it. What is this stuff?
I don't know. Usually I know like stuff like this, but like I've never seen anything like that before.
I mean, I thought maybe it was stuff like the weights that fall off the wheels. But that would be on the side of the interstate, not a parking lot.
Oh, sorry.
There is.
I think the drone here is what happened. The drone got drunk. They got drunk.
They were drinking and droning. Don't drink and drone. All right, that's not a laughing matter, by the way.
That's pretty funny.
Is that like a rock from outer space?
It's stuck to the ground, dude.
No
Bro,
way.
try to lift that. I can't.
Are you serious?
Try to lift it.
Oh shit! He's right. I thought he was fucking with me.
That's like an alien egg.
Bro! It will not move! That is so weird. It's like somebody gorilla glued it. No. Bro. Oh, you did. Somebody did glue it. Or maybe it's frozen with ice.
Yeah, it was frozen. That's crazy. It looked like a
bro. You should keep that rock. I'm gonna keep that rock. Oh, it's so cold. It's probably from the moon. Oh, such a nice guy. Thanks for the rock.
Kalokohan lang yung sinasabing evidence pa. Although
they're drinking.
Oh, shame on you.
Quote-unquote drone.
Look at all these alcohol bottles.
I know, what's up with that?
Right there.
Some space rats. This is probably some garbage, but just in case it's not, I'm gonna take it with. We were just at the crash site, which was back that way by the Applebee's. And that's where we found some of those broken parts. Not sure what they were, but I did grab them.
So hindi naman ano.
See some people?
Hindi naman sure na galing nga sa drone yung mga nakita nila mga parts. Parang mga basura lang ano. 'Di ba? Tingnan natin ulit. Although yun naman sinasabi ano, they are not sure na
by the tunnels where there was supposedly like a dive team. Hey, there's like a strange car like just kind of staring at us.
You know.
And they got their headlights like right towards us. Let's see if I can, and they just beeped at us. See if I can zoom into them. It's another car. Bro, we being followed, bro?
Yeah.
These guys just showed up.
They came out of nowhere too.
Hey, that SUV to my left, that's the same one from earlier. The people that were filming us. As we were leaving earlier, there's a group of people. I don't know if they were reporters or not. But
Yeah, I was just talking about it. Like,
I filmed them, by the way. I have them on camera.
I don't know if I filmed them at all, but yeah, they were like filming us too, which is weird. Maybe they're here for the same reason we are. You know, they're blind dancers looking towards the stars. So we're gonna kind of camp out here for a little bit and see if we can see any UAPs anymore.
Okay. Yun yung mga updates na nakikita natin kaugnay nitong UAP or drone sightings in the US. Talagang nagkakagulo ngayon sila dyan sa Amerika. Actually, nabulabog sila. Nabulabog sila, no? Ngayon, tingnan mo natin to. Trump's big warning for India, China. Iba naman yan. DOD confirms drones over bases Yes. Actually, nung una pang mga although hindi naman talaga kinonfirm ng Department of Defense nila na talagang may nakitang mga drone sa ibabaw ng mga military bases. Parang pinagtatagni-tagni ko rin yung mga pangyayari tungkol dito. Parang talagang they want to show some a message. They want to send a message kung sino man na we are here and we are watching you. Parang ganun, no? We are here, we are watching you. Parang kanta niya, no? Somebody's watching me. Parang si Michael Jackson. Okay, so ito, update lang ito. But maybe sa program proper natin sa Gabi ng Misteryo, we can discuss more all about this via Zoom. Tatry ko rin ipasok via Zoom with si Miss Cora Guidote. Meron siyang sinasabi about this. Si Brother Norman Imperial from US ay naghahanda rin siya ng mga detalye. Pero may binabanggit si Miss Cora Guidote, and maybe she can also explain all about this. Ano yung basis ng kanyang sinasabi na these drones are not really drones, they are real galactic beings, and they are here. They just want to tell everyone that we are here and we are helping you, parang ganun, no? Actually, sa ilang mga past na mga channeling interview ko sa mga galactic beings, lagi nilang binabanggit yan, eh, di ba? Lagi nilang binabanggit yan. Ito ba yun? Ito yata yun, sandali. Hindi, ito. Nasa page kasi ni Miss Cora. Andali. Ano ba yan? Ito, pasok tayo dito. Okay. Send kasi sa akin na dali. Miss Cora. Oh, here. Ito. Ano to, patikim na to dun sa magiging discussion namin, Here, this one. Ito, lumalabas dito. Lumabas na rito. Dali. Okay. Sandali. Yan. Okay. Based sa sinasabi ni Miss Cora, increasing UFO activity worldwide. Diba? The Pentagon will only say what these flying objects are not and go as far as saying that they are merely drones of unknown origin. Unknown origin. Yan yung official statement ng Pentagon, ng US government. And what they don't want to admit is that these are spaceships of friendly alien beings called the Galactic Federation. Hindi natin alam kung may pinadala na sa kanyang message ang Galactic Federation confirming na sila itong lumilipad na to, no? Mga ships nila. They are not a threat to humanity. Otherwise, they would have long invaded our world given their highly advanced technologies. Yeah, which is correct. I agree with that. I agree with Miss Cora about this. So they are making their presence felt because of an upcoming global event related to ascension and full disclosure. Itong full disclosure, it is the full disclosure of the existence of the alien beings on this planet na matagal nang itinago sa atin. common sense should tell us that we are not alone in the vast universe, correct? But because governments have become so controlling in order to pursue their inward-looking agenda, they are selfishness, they are too scared to deal with realities beyond Earth and project their fears to their constituents. So yun. Ito maral ma-expound to ni Miss Cora sa ating interview sa kanya, no, ha? Okay, so yan po muna ang ating discussion tonight para sa ating mga adventure. And of course, mga nakatutok sa Gabi ng Misteryo, pag-uusapan natin yan tungkol dyan. Maaari magkalabasan o ebidensya or whatever with our guests sa Gabi ng Misteryo. Alright, so salamat sa ating mga ka-adventure, Kagabi ng Misteryo, and always stay safe, and please, laging magdasal sa ating pong lumikha, humingi ng guidance palagi. And also, don't forget to acknowledge our guardian angels. Alright? See you. Salamat.